Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are looking at a rotating LED chakra circuit, which is popular for decorating god idols during festivals like Ganesh Utsav and Diwali. This circuit creates a smooth spinning halo effect by combining two main integrated circuits, the 555 timer IC and the 4017 decade counter IC. Now let us look at the complete circuit diagram. Here the 555 IC it is configured as an astable multivibrator. Together with the 33K resistor, the 100K potentiometer, and the 1 microfarad capacitor, it generates a continuous stream of clock pulses. By adjusting the 100K potentiometer, you can control the pulse frequency, which changes the speed of the spinning chakra. Next, the clock output from pin 3 of the 555 timer is fed directly into pin 14 of the 4017 decade counter IC. The 4017 counter takes these incoming clock pulses and sequentially shifts a high logic output across its 10 pins, from pin 3 through pin 11. Instead of turning the LEDs on and off abruptly, this design includes a delay-off fade stage connected to each output pin. Each output pin connects through a diode to a 33 microfarad capacitor and a 22K resistor to ground. When a counter output turns high, the capacitor charges up quickly through the diode. When the output turns off, the capacitor gradually discharges through the 22K resistor and the 10K base resistor. This smooth discharge produces a slow fade-out effect, creating persistence of vision and a realistic spinning motion with a glowing trail. Finally, each fading stage turns on a BC547 NPN transistor. Each transistor acts as a driver for a series string of 4 high-brightness 5mm LEDs powered by a 12-volt supply. When these 10 LED arrays are physically placed in a circle behind an idol, the fading sequential light patterns create a beautiful, rotating metallic halo effect. So that's it friends. If you like this video then please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and if you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you for watching.